In 2025, owning a car isn't just about fuel and maintenance anymore, it's about surviving your insurance bill. Across the world, drivers are watching their premiums skyrocket as claims, repairs, and digital risks explode. Today, we are counting down the top 5 countries with the most expensive car insurance in 2025 and revealing why these drivers are paying more than anyone else on Earth. Coming in at number 5 is the United Kingdom. The average UK driver now pays around $930 a year, a staggering 20% jump from 2024. Why? The British insurance market is turning into a massive data experiment. Almost every policy is now tied to telematics, those little black boxes that record your speed, braking, and mileage. Good drivers save a little, but one wrong move and you're penalized instantly. With inflation and post-Brexit repair costs climbing, even minor claims cost hundreds more. The result? British drivers feel like they're always being watched, and their wallets are definitely feeling lighter. In fourth place, we have Canada. The average Canadian driver pays about $1,700 USD per year. Now for number 3, the United States of America. In 2025, the average U.S. driver is paying a record high $2,543 a year. That's nearly double the global average. The main reason? America is the lawsuit capital of the world. Insurers have to brace for multi-million-dollar injury claims. Plus, vehicle damage costs have doubled since the pandemic. Add in AI-driven cars, expensive electric vehicle repairs, and sky-high medical inflation, and you've got a recipe for endlessly climbing premiums. In states like Michigan and Florida, some drivers pay over $4,000 annually. It might surprise you, but taking the number 2 spot is Germany. The home of precision engineering is also home to some of Europe's highest car insurance bills. German law requires comprehensive liability coverage, even for minor accidents. And with luxury cars come luxury repairs. One cracked sensor on a new electric BMW can cost over $4,000 to replace. Germany also has a fault strictness system, meaning insurers pay out claims fast and in full, driving their own costs through the roof. And the country with the most expensive car insurance in the world for 2025 is Australia. The average Aussie now pays around $2,900 per year. Why? Australia has been hit by a triple whammy: devastating floods, hail damage, and sky-high import costs for car parts. Over half of all spare parts are shipped from Asia, and those shipping prices have soared. This means a simple fender bender could cost as much as a used car. As climate-related losses mount, many insurers are pulling out of high-risk coastal areas, leaving drivers with fewer options and much bigger bills. So, how can you fight back against these rising costs? First, compare quotes every 6 to 12 months. Second, consider installing a dash cam to prove you're a safe driver. And finally, try bundling your auto and home policies for a discount. Wherever you live, car insurance is no longer just a small expense. It's a global economic warning. The cost of risk is rising faster than ever. If this video helped you understand how car insurance really works around the world, hit that subscribe button and share this video before your next renewal notice arrives. Thanks for watching.